Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is August 3rd, 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple is ramping up its efforts to enforce payment policies among major Chinese app developers, specifically targeting Tencent and ByteDance. The company is urging these firms to close loopholes that allow app creators to direct users to external payment systems, bypassing Apple's standard 30% commission on in-app purchases. This move is a significant escalation in Apple's ongoing battle to maintain its revenue from app transactions in China, the world's largest smartphone market. The pressure from Apple comes in a broader context of regulatory scrutiny and competition in the Chinese tech landscape. By enforcing stricter compliance, Apple aims to secure its financial interests, while potentially straining relationships with these influential companies. The outcome of this pressure could reshape the app payment landscape in China, affecting how developers approach monetization strategies. Apple's Sequoia update enhances the security of virtual machines, VMs, on Apple Silicon, allowing them to utilize full-strength file vault encryption when Apple ID is activated. Previously, VMs were only as secure as the volume they were stored on, which posed privacy risks. The new Sequoia VMs can access iCloud services while maintaining a higher level of security, as they derive identity from the host's secure enclave. However, this feature requires creating a new VM from scratch, as it cannot be applied to upgraded VMs from earlier macOS versions. To set up a secure VM, users should upgrade to macOS Sequoia, create a new VM on the internal SSD with File Vault enabled, and configure it with a unique Apple ID. It's recommended to disable unnecessary iCloud access and network file sharing within the VM to enhance privacy. Apple II Desktop version 1.4 has been officially released, showcasing numerous enhancements and fixes to the graphical interface for the Apple II computer. Curated by Joshua Bell, the update includes improved mouse responsiveness, a revamped file picker dialog, and a reset of the video banking state on launch for the IEGs to prevent display issues. The new version also introduces Dutch localization and addresses various spelling and grammar errors in the interface. Significant changes in the launcher include better handling of system folders and improved stability when quitting back to the launcher. The desktop features enhancements such as the removal of the 12-volume limit in the format erase picker, a progress bar for file operations, and an Easter egg for users to discover. Multiple game developers have shared their frustrations regarding their experiences with Apple Arcade and the Vision Pro platform, highlighting issues such as delayed payments, poor communication, and inadequate technical support. Some developers report waiting up to 6 months for payments, which has jeopardized their businesses. Communication with the Apple Arcade team is often slow, with responses taking weeks or months, and meetings frequently attended by unprepared team members. Developers describe Apple's tech support as miserable, particularly when it comes to the Vision Pro, which struggles to run complex games and lacks sufficient guidance from Apple engineers. Delta Airlines CEO Ed Bastian recently commented on the vulnerabilities of different operating systems, specifically contrasting Apple and Microsoft. Following a significant outage caused by a CrowdStrike update that affected 8.5 million Windows PCs, Bastian noted that Delta faced severe operational disruptions, including the cancellation of over 5,000 flights due to scheduling software issues. He expressed concerns about the fragility of Windows as a platform, suggesting that Apple's systems are less prone to such catastrophic failures. Bastian highlighted that Apple has restricted developers' access to the lowest-level software on Macs, which he believes contributes to their stability. Apple has withdrawn a commercial titled The Underdogs, OO, out of office, after facing significant backlash from Thai lawmakers, influencers, and citizens who found its portrayal of Thailand offensive. The 10-minute film, which was available online for about 2 weeks, depicted a group of co-workers traveling to Thailand on a budget to find a new packaging factory. Critics argued that the advertisement misrepresented the vibrancy and culture of Thailand, potentially harming the country's tourism image. In response to the criticism, Apple issued an apology, acknowledging that the film did not fully capture the contemporary vibrancy of Thailand. Apple has released the developer beta for iOS 18.1, iPadOS 18.1, and macOS Sequoia 15.1, which introduces Apple Intelligence, a suite of generative AI features. This marks the first time users can test these features, which were initially announced at WWDC 2024 and are expected to be publicly available this fall. The beta includes various writing tools that allow users to rewrite, proofread, and summarize text across first-party and many third-party applications. Additionally, improvements to Siri are included, such as the ability to switch seamlessly between voice and typing and maintaining context in conversations. Apple's entry into spatial computing is set to revolutionize digital interactions, blending the digital and physical worlds. The company unveiled its Vision Pro headset in June 2023, which integrates augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR technologies for a seamless experience. Key features of the Vision Pro include high-resolution displays, advanced eye tracking, hand and gesture recognition, spatial audio, and powerful M2 and R1 chips. The Vision Pro has generated excitement among developers and tech enthusiasts, with potential applications in various sectors such as education, healthcare, architecture, entertainment, and spatial commerce. A 64-year-old ALS patient has become the first person to control Apple's Vision Pro AR/VR headset using a minimally invasive brain-computer interface, BCI, called Stentrode. Unlike traditional methods that require significant surgery, the Stentrode is inserted through the jugular vein and navigated to the motor cortex, where it expands to place electrodes near the brain's surface. This technology allows the patient to interact with the Vision Pro using only their thoughts, enabling activities like playing solitaire, watching Apple TV, and sending text messages. The Stentrode BCI detects motor intent and wirelessly transmits signals to control devices, providing a hands-free experience for individuals with severe paralysis. MyGainplan is a newly launched fitness app designed to enhance users' workout experiences. It serves as a training partner, offering features that help users discover workouts, schedule training plans, and track their progress. The app is available for download on both the App Store and Google Play, making it accessible to a wide range of users. With a user-friendly interface, MyGainplan aims to motivate individuals to stay committed to their fitness goals. The app includes various workout options tailored to different fitness levels and preferences. Users can customize their training schedules to fit their lifestyles, ensuring a more personalized approach to fitness. GorgeousTV is a new free streaming app developed by TV Corporation that allows users to shop for products featured in their favorite TV shows and movies while watching. The app transforms video moments into a shopping experience, enabling users to connect with the styles, products, and lifestyles seen on screen. Users can shop, save, share, and comment on items such as clothing, makeup, and home goods directly from the video content. GorgeousTV features a unique video feed that showcases shoppable moments and links to full-length videos, making it easy for users to explore their favorite content. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.